I was initially planning on using my phone without a case, but I decided to invest in one. I wanted something that would protect my phone, while still showing its design. This Geek clear case seemed like a great option. So let's dive into the unboxing process. It's very lightweight, so it shouldn't add too much bulk. The case itself is made of clear, hard plastic material, with anti-yellow protection. It looks really sleek and modern. Now let's put the case on my phone. Wow, it looks really nice. It feels smooth and comfortable. It has raised bezels to lift the screen and lenses off flat surface. Even the bulky lenses of iPhone 14 Pro. The corners have built-in airbags like bumpers, that gives military-grade drop protection. I can't believe it's only $12. The clear case really allows the beauty of my iPhone 14 Pro to shine through. Let's see how well the case holds up against a small drop. The case did a great job absorbing the impact and protecting the phone. I am impressed. I would definitely recommend checking it out.